I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your transmission fluid. Maintaining proper transmission fluid levels is crucial for your vehicle's longevity and smooth operation. Many modern vehicles, including some Fiat models, do not have a traditional dipstick, requiring a slightly different approach. We will cover the essential steps, from preparing your workspace to interpreting the fluid's condition, ensuring you have a clear understanding of this vital maintenance task. Let's get started. Before you begin, park your vehicle on a completely level surface. It is best to check the fluid when the engine is at its normal operating temperature, so take a short drive first. You will need a jack and sturdy jack stands to safely lift the car, along with a drain pan for any fluid that might escape. Remember to always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection throughout the process. Unlike older cars, many Fiat models do not feature a transmission dipstick. Instead, you will typically find a check or fill plug located on the side or bottom of the transmission casing. You may need to remove some underbody plastic shields or a crossbar to gain clear access. Use the appropriate Torx or Allen wrench to carefully loosen and remove this plug. Be prepared for a small amount of fluid to drip out. With the plug removed, if fluid slowly drips out, your level is likely correct. If nothing comes out, the fluid is low. Examine the fluid's color. It should be reddish and translucent. Dark brown or black fluid or a burnt smell indicates degradation. If low, add the manufacturer-specified transmission fluid through the fill hole until a slight drip occurs. If you are unsure, consulting a qualified mechanic is always a wise decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.